I'm doing a video how to show how to program the double eagle MOSFET that comes with the calico jack stock. It's pretty decent MOSFET. Buy individually, it costs like under 30. Might have went up, but I think it was like under 30. But it's not bad at all, and it has limited settings, but it's still good enough for the price that it is. And it doesn't really run well with DSGs, but it's still good enough. But this is semi-auto. Wait, kind of messed up. Okay, to program it, hold the trigger in till 3 beeps. First trigger pull is like the shots. So like you do it twice. Did it do it? I think it did it twice. No, I only did it once. But now when I go over here, instead of full auto, it's only a single shot. And it's the same for the others. It only goes up to 3 shots. I don't do 4-round bursts, only 3-round bursts, 2-round bursts, and just 1 shot individually. Then 2 trigger pulls. That is trigger settings. So I'm gonna just do it on 1. And I do not remember which one is like most sensitive. I think it might be 1 or it might be 3. I think it's 1. Yeah. Then 3 taps. That was not 3. Was it? It didn't repeat itself. Let me just try it again. Okay, that's binary. And it's pretty simple, but the best way is like you keep it like you just gotta know how to like do it. That's it. I don't know. It's nothing hard. It's not. I don't think any of the MOSFETs are hard. It's just you gotta know how to do it. You can do it anywhere, like even in the field. Just tune it real quick. Even though you probably can't, I don't think it's allowed at all. But that's just an example. But I got a what is it called? Adjusted trigger or tune trigger, whatever you call it. And I like to use it with the MOSFET, even though it's like it's not that sensitive enough, like how my current hybrid is, but it's still good enough. So I like to tune it a little bit, not too much where I can't move it no more. Like right now, I'm trying to work through it though. Okay. Do it a little bit more. Like with this MOSFET, you can't really get like a hair trigger type of setup. It's not really like that advanced of a MOSFET. Just like a budget MOSFET, that's it. I think they might be upgrading the UTR 45, made by the same company, but I'm really not sure about that. Well, they should, because that is a newer model. These things been out for like a minute now. Okay, that's the best way to get it. But I'm gonna go through all the oh, I can't probably. Yeah, I forgot. Once you tune it, you can't go and change the settings. So let me just untie this real quick. But three-round burst, it's cool. It's just slow. Well, yeah, it's slow because my other one sounds faster. I'm gonna show that one too. And it's normal speed, I feel like, but it could be better. That was 3-round burst, 4, 5. And I'm gonna show 2. They're both DSGs, and well, this has a slower motor, it has a 38 TPA, but still, sounds like one shot, even though it's two shots going through it, but that's just because it's really fast. Okay, that should be, I forgot to change that. And there is a sweet spot to be able to program it and keep the trigger tuned just enough, but I never really find it perfectly. Alright. Let me just tune it a little bit more real quick. And then I'm gonna compare both 3-round burst. I'll just replay the clip of what I just did with the 3-round burst. It's already tightened the trigger, but it's very fast. Alright, got it out. And just plug and play. It might already have it on, I don't know. Change that. It's probably too much too much, what is it called? Precog cam. That's 3 shots right there. And yeah, that's 3 shots. Sounds weird. I think it's because I gotta take that off or mess something up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that's too much. I'm gonna just take it completely off. That sounds better. Because after 3 shots, it's still trying to come back. That's just too much. But that's pretty much it. It's still a great MOSFET. I'm not knocking it down because it's DSG capabilities, but it's still great. Like, once I rebuild my semi-auto, not semi-auto, SSG build, I'm gonna definitely put that MOSFET in there. Because I don't plan to use full auto with those. Not really. No, not with the SSG. But still a great MOSFET. Good price too. I'm gonna put a screenshot of the price, and it should still be around $30. I don't know, but that's pretty much it.